Hello there, I'm Stuart Elford, Chief Executive of Devon and Plymouth Chamber of Commerce, and welcome to our newly refurbished premises. I'm joined by some of those who've made this possible, including Vince Brooks from Engage Workplace and Steve Warren Brown from YGS Landscapes. We were very fortunate that Plymouth City Council agreed as our landlord to help by doing a lot of the structural work, and then we had members sponsor various parts of the building, which I'll show you shortly, and also we used some reserves from the sale of Lockyer Street to complete the refurbishment so that we had a modern, fresh office fit for purpose and ready to welcome you back when we came back from the pandemic. So let's take a look inside. As we come into the building, you can see we've got this fantastic picture taken by Trevor Burrows, thank you to him, in our reception area, which is sponsored by David Williams and Red Rock, thank you to them. And this is just a nice, fresh, welcoming area for all our guests and tenants. This is our newly refurbished conference room, which can seat 24 in conference style or up to 30 theatre style, available to rent and at a discounted rate for chamber members.
I'm Vince Brooks, Director of Engage Workplace, and we are very proud to have been able to support the Chamber with the refurbishment of their offices.
Hi, I'm Steve Warren Brown, MD and founder of YGS Landscapes Limited. We've been Chamber members for in excess of 15 years, and I was delighted to be part of a team to help Stuart and the Chamber improve their premises.